When I first started window cleaning, I soon realized that a lot of my clients were asking me what other services I'd offer, but I didn't know how to do any other professional services. Well, I soon learned by a lot of trial and error, going online and asking friends and other people. So now I offer gutter cleaning and pressure cleaning also as a side to window cleaning. When you think about it, there's a lot of extra add-ons that you can offer just within window cleaning, but then also separately, which are related services. So just think about window cleaning, for example. You can also add on fly screen cleaning, skylights, balustrades, pool fences, solar panels, mirrors, ceiling fans, window and door tracks, shutters, decobwebbing. All of those things should cost a little extra. But it's important to make sure that whatever extra things you do, you're also keeping that professional standard. And the general price should go in proportion to the base window cleaning. So for example, let's say the window cleaning of a house is $600. Now you estimate 4 hours of work. Now half an hour of mirror cleaning would be then $75 extra. Or you could try pricing it by piece. So for example, maybe $9 per panel for a solar panel, if it's a fairly easy roof. Or similarly for the balustrades, $9 per panel. Then there's gutter cleaning, house washing, pressure cleaning. Why are these related or hand-in-hand services? Well, because they overlap in a lot of ways. Similar tools like ladders and hoses. It's got the word cleaning, so they expect that you'll do one service at the same standard as the other. And the advantage of adding on these extra services is that it's an easy way to earn more for just one job. Or to put it another way, you don't need as many clients if each client is worth more. Some clients also want to kill two birds with one stone. They find organizing different companies a real pain. And once they get to know you and like you, it's just simpler for them to use you for whatever other services you offer. Another advantage is it helps to balance out your seasons. So pressure cleaning can be done even if it's raining. Gutter cleaning keeps the busy steady during autumn and winter. But be careful not to spread yourself too thin. You can't be an expert in everything. So you need to consider that you also need space for an extra machine. And that means maintenance, maybe petrol as well, maintaining these machines because they eventually do break down. Now for me, my business, we have 60% window cleaning. Then we have about 30% gutter cleaning, 5% pressure cleaning, and 5% just miscellaneous. And we find that's a really good mix. Some add-on services for your business is really a no-brainer. It's an easy way to scale your business. I'm Jono, the Expert Coach.